Welcome all in economics class. Let's start our chapter 12 correlation module 2nd. In the first module of correlation we have studied about the finding correlation by using the direct method or we can say actual mean method. Now in this module we will study about to finding the correlation between two series by using the step deviation method and shortcut method. Second method is the shortcut method. In this, we will calculate the correlation between the two series x and y by using the assumed mean of both the series. We use this method when our mean value is not in whole number. The mean value comes in the fractions. So, this formula we will use r is equals to summation of dx dy minus summation of dx and summation multiply by summation of dy divide by n. So here n is the total number of items. Dx and dy are the deviation of x series and deviation of y series. Deviation of x series assumed mean से हमें find out करना है. So we will find out like this x minus a करके हम find out करेंगे deviation, and deviation of y series we will find out y minus a. Assumed mean लेकर के we will find out the deviations of x series and the y series. Summation of dx dy means sum of the multiple of dx and dy. We will find out summation of dx square and summation of dy square are the sum of स्क्वायर ऑफ डेविएशंस. डेविएशंस का जो स्क्वायर आएगा उसका हम समेशन यहाँ पे करेंगे. एंड n is, as I told you, n is the total number of items in the both the series. So this is the formula by which we will calculate the and we will find out the correlation between the two series. Now we are doing an illustration for explaining the shortcut method of finding the correlation. In this two series are given here x and y. So number of items are here 5 number of items are here, you can see. And first of all we will find out the deviation of x. तो dx हमें यहाँ मालूम करना है. For that we will use the formula x minus a. तो a is the assumed mean. So x series में से हम एक नंबर को assumed mean यहाँ पर ले लेते हैं. यहाँ से मैंने यहाँ पर a is equals to 8 ले लिया है. 8 से हम जब डेविएशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे इट विल बी एक्स माइनस ए करना है हमें. इट विल बी -4 -2 0 7 and 12. Deviation of x series from assumed mean we have find out. Now we will find out the deviation of y series from assumed mean. तो यहाँ पर y series is this. तो हम यहाँ पर एक नंबर को assumed mean हमने 20 मान लिया एंड 20 से हम यहाँ पर डेविएशंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. देन इट विल कम y माइनस ए कर रहे हैं हम तो -10 देन -5 0 5 and 10. We will find out the summation of dx according to the formula we need it. तो हम जब इनको जब ऐड कर देंगे we will find 19 minus 6 it will be 13 प्लस के एंड समेशन ऑफ dy यहाँ पर आएगा इक्वल्स टू 0 हो जाएगा ये. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर्स. स्क्वायर जब हम करेंगे तो समेशन dx स्क्वायर तो डेविएशन का स्क्वायर कर देंगे. 4 4 जा 16 2 2 जा 4 0 14 सॉरी 7 7 जा 49 and 12 12 जा 144. So now next deviation square of deviation from y we will find out dy square. तो dy square will be 100 25 0 25 and 100. Now next column, in this we will find out the multiples of the sum of multiples of the dx and dy. तो dx is here, dy is here, इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे. Then we will find out 40 5 2 जा 10 माइनस माइनस पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे 0, 35 and 120. Now we will find out the summation हम सबका फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे बिकॉज वी नीड अकॉर्डिंग वी रिक्वायर्ड इन द फॉर्मूला. तो यहाँ पर हमारा हो जाएगा इट विल बी, जब हम इन सबको ऐड करेंगे 213, देन समेशन ऑफ dy स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 250 एंड समेशन ऑफ dx dy विल बी, इन सबको जब हम ऐड कर देंगे वी विल फाइंड आउट 205. So we are having all the values and here is our formula. Now we will put all the values in the formula and we will solve the and we get the correlation. तो यहाँ पर हम जब values सारी अपनी put करेंगे then we will get according to the formula summation of dx dy minus summation of dx multiply by summation of dy, it is 0 divide by n number of items 5 है हमारे, ठीक है. Now in the denominator summation of dx square is 213 minus 13 का होल स्क्वायर समेशन ऑफ dx स्क्वायर, summation of dx का whole square divide by n is 5. Similarly we put the values in this. Summation of dy square is 250 minus summation of dy 0, where 0 comes and 5. तो यहाँ पर हमारी ये values इस तरह से आएंगी. When we will solve it, it will be the answer that we will find that is 0.97. Correlation we denote by small r and we find the answer 0.97 and this is the situation of a high degree of positive correlation between these two series. Third method is the step deviation method of finding correlation between the two series. So here is the formula. R is equals to this formula we apply and we will find the correlation between the two given series x and y. The steps are same that we have done in the shortcut method. Only we will here find out the step deviations. जैसा हमने मीन में we have done in the मीन में हमने dx deviation find out करने के बाद में dx dash we have find out. तो उसी तरह से यहाँ पर हम dx dash we will find out and dx dash we will find out by dividing the deviation by some common factor and when we find the dy dash, जब हमें dy dash मालूम करना है तो we will divide the dy by some common factor and we will find out the dy dash. तो यहाँ dx dash हमने find out किया, यहाँ dy dash find out किया. Similarly dx dash का हम whole square कर देंगे यहाँ पर and we will find the this value and dy summation of dy dash का whole square की हम यहाँ पर value find out करेंगे. तो the steps are same, only we will do the step deviation in this method. Now we are doing a question so that it will be more clear to you. For finding dy dash, I am here taking common factor x minus a divide by c2, c1 यहाँ पर find out कर लिया हमने, c2 यहाँ पर dy again I am taking 5 here and we will get the values here 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Now the next column will make of dx dash square, then we will find out dy dash square and in the last we will find out summation of dx dash dy dash का मल्टीपल करके हम लास्ट में यहाँ पर समेशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे, समेशन ऑफ dx dash and dy dash. तो यहाँ पर dx dash square when we will find out, तो it will be dx dash is here, my 4, 1, 0, 1 and 4. Summation of dx dash square is 10. Similarly dy dash we will find out from here, square 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, and it will be again summation of dxy dash square, it will also come 10. Here we will find out the multiple of dx dash and dy dash. It will be -4, -1, 0, -1 and -4, and when we calculate it, it will be -10. So here we are having all the values that we required according to our formula, and we will put all the values in the formula. I am here rubbing this, and we will put all the values in our स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड के फॉर्मूले में सारी वैल्यूज विल पुट. फॉर्मूला इज r इज इक्वल्स टू समेशन ऑफ dx डैश dx dy डैश माइनस summation of dx dash summation of dy dash divide by n, and डिनोमिनेटर में हमारा है summation of dx dash square minus summation of dx dash divide by n whole square minus summation of dy dash whole square minus summation of dy dash का whole square divide by n. Then here we will, when we put all the values, -10 minus summation of dx dash is here, and it is 0. So 0 multiply by summation of dy dash. dy dash का समीशन भी हमारा 0 ही आया था, तो ये वैल्यू तो हमारी सारी 0 हो जाएंगी. डिवाइड बाय 5, and in the denominator we put our values. It will be 10 minus 0 upon 5 minus 10 minus summation of dy dash is again 0 upon 5. तो यहाँ पर we can see जब 0 से कोई नंबर डिवाइड होता है, the value we get that is 0, and here we get the r is equals to -1. जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास वैल्यू आएगी r is equals to -1, and it shows that there is the perfectly negative correlation between these two series x and y. यहाँ पर नेगेटिव कोरिलेशन है. तो दिस इज द मेथड, स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग कोरिलेशन, and we have seen the 3 methods of finding correlation between the different series, and we can find out the relationship between the different series by using all the 3 methods.